Welcome to an exciting jungle adventure made just for toddlers. In this fun and educational video, your little one will explore the wild and guess animals through colorful animations, engaging sounds, and simple clues. From roaring lions to giant dinosaurs, this jungle hunt is full of surprises. Wild goats, especially species like the ibex, are amazing climbers. They can scale steep, rocky cliffs with ease to escape predators and find food, often climbing places that seem impossible. Wild goats have horizontal rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision. Horse is a big, strong animal that has been a friend to humans for thousands of years. Horse has big eyes on the sides of its head, so it can see almost all the way around its body. Horse is a great helper. It has been used for riding, farming, Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra's stripes are not only beautiful, but also help them stay cool in the heat. Velociraptor was a small but fast dinosaur, about the size of a turkey, with a long tail and sharp claws. Velociraptor had sharp teeth and curved claws that helped it catch small animals and defend itself. Unlike in movies, Hamster is a small nocturnal animal that loves to stay active at night, running on their wheel and exploring their cage. Hamsters have large cheek pouches in their mouths, where they store food to carry back to their burrows. Tiger has orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Each one is unique like a fingerprint. Tiger is a carnivore, which means it eats meat. It hunts animals like deer, wild boar, and even buffalo. Bears are big and strong mammals that live in forests, mountains, and snowy places around the world. There are 8 different types of bears, including the grizzly bear, polar bear, black bear, and panda bear. Most bears love to eat both plants and meat, which makes them omnivores. Their diet can include berries, fish, insects, and honey. Donkey is a friendly, hard-working animal known for being strong and stubborn, but in a good way. Donkey has long ears, which help it hear very well, especially in desert environments where it originally lived. Donkey has a gentle nature and is usually calm and friendly. Frog is a small amphibian that can live both in water and on land. Frog has smooth, moist skin and can be green, brown, yellow, or even bright colors. There are over 5,000 types of frogs in the world. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Tyrannosaurus was one of the biggest meat-eating dinosaurs that ever lived. It had huge, sharp teeth, as long as bananas, perfect for biting through bones and meat. Teeth. Rex had a very big head, strong jaws, and an excellent sense of smell, which helped it find food. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans over 15,000 years ago. Dogs are as smart as a 2 to 3-year-old human child. They can understand up to 250 words and gestures. They can read human emotions. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk, which we use to make cheese, butter, yogurt, and ice cream. Cow can sleep while standing up or lying down, but it only sleeps for a few hours each day. Cow is very important in farming and helps people all over the world by giving milk, meat, and even helping in fields. That was a wild jungle adventure. Great job guessing all the animals, little explorer. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, you are ye, and hit that subscribe button so you can come back for more animal fun. See you next time.